Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and I have news for you. Actually, this right here is going to be a very interesting show for you. So be sure to stay tuned. Anyway, yeah, so it's Friday, July 2nd, 2021. People, how about this? I got to say it. I don't want to, but I must do this. A trifecta of record highs for the market today. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, new all-time record high. The S&P 500, new all-time record high. And the NASDAQ, new all-time record high. How about that? Interesting. Are you surprised? No, you're not. Not if you subscribe to this blog or you watch this because you knew it ahead of time. This market is literally unstoppable in this environment. So just get used to it. We don't get pullbacks anymore. We don't get corrections anymore. It just goes higher. The promise of more easy money from the Fed, debts and deficits hyper exploding. We just found out today, as a matter of fact, that our trade deficit is continuing to balloon. And as long as the economic news gets shoved down your throat, that is just terrible, and they're trying to convince you that it's all good, well, the stock market will go higher. So, on top of a trifecta of new record highs for the market, what else happened? The dollar today fell under pressure. Let's set this up. Okay. Weaker dollar today. Crude oil well above $75 a barrel, got a bit higher as well, and a stable 10-year yield. When you have this unholy trinity moving in those directions, well, what happens generally? Stocks go up. And that's exactly what happened today. Gold and silver put on a gain today, especially silver did well. Cryptocurrencies remain under pressure. People, listen, with regard to cryptos here, they're still consolidating. Let me explain this to you again. When any asset falls precipitously, and no one can deny that cryptos have fallen under a lot of pressure lately, it takes a while for this space, any space, to kind of, gain momentum to the upside. Now, I explained to all of you, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, what are we looking for? What are we really waiting for? A breakout to the upside or to the downside? Because we have been consolidating for a while. Is it possible that we can get a breakout to the downside? Absolutely. What would I do? I wouldn't panic about it. No, I would buy more. That's the truth. You know how I operate here. Period, the end. I am a long-term holder, and I hope you are too. I do not trade this stuff. I do not trade it. You understand? With regard to gold and silver, people, these are the spaces you got to be in. You know that. As well as crypto for me. Period, the end. The market, this is the gift here, people, that keeps on giving. I don't know another way to put it. I've been putting out free stock picks for all of you. They're right on my website, traderschoice.net. There is a link in the description of this video. Pay attention to these things, people. My website, everything there is for you. It's not for me. It's for you. So take advantage of it, okay? And like I said, I promise to keep you on the right side of this market. And if you've been listening to me, you've been on the right side, taking advantage of everything that's going on here. So what I would like to do here, other than cover the markets, which, I mean, look, this is a phenomenon we're seeing, people, that is just not going to stop. I don't care how many people are out here telling you that there's a market top, which every single person who has tried to call a top has been wrong, okay? A crash that's going to happen tomorrow, and now apparently there's going to be a big crash between now and September. Whoever's putting this stuff out, please stop. Because they're just going to look stupid. Okay, they're just going to look stupid. The Fed is buying it all. With the Fed buying it all, okay, the market can only go one way. Really, I mean, we don't get corrections anymore. We don't get pullbacks anymore. So, get on the right side of this whole thing, and you're going to do well. If you're betting against this market, you're getting killed. Like I said earlier, the trade deficit is ballooning again, people. It's hyper ballooning. Along with everything else. Our debt to GDP ratio here in the United States, right now it's about 130%. It's going much, much higher. So what does this mean? As a percent of GDP, our economy is in free fall. we are collapsing. The only thing that is being propped up is the debt and the stock market on the back of that debt, giving the illusion that there's some kind of prosperity going on. Sure, if you've been long this market, you're doing fantastic. If you've been betting against it, well, good luck. You're pretty much done here. Let's talk about this market and how fake it is, just real quick. You've heard me say to you repeatedly, over and over again, the market's fake. I'm going to prove to you how fake it is. Most of you know I trade options, right? I am a derivatives trader. What I've been doing a lot of lately is selling options into the market, selling them naked. What does that mean? I don't even own the option I'm selling. It doesn't even exist. I'm selling something I don't even own. Okay? So I'm just trying to prove to you that the market is just so retarded that you can sell something that you don't even have and make money doing it. Do you realize that? I know it sounds kind of insane, but that's how it is. When you sell an option naked, you're selling something you don't even own, and you can make money on it. I mean, whoever came up with that kind of a scheme had to be a banker, right? Well, I don't care who came up with it. All I know is I'm taking advantage of it. And so can you. And I cover these strategies in my book, which you can get right off my website, traderschoice.net, at a not so random walk on Wall Street. All right, people. So look, pretty much that's where we stand today with the market, a trifecta of record highs. Lovely. Do we need a pullback? Yeah. Do we need a massive correction? Absolutely. Are we going to get one? We haven't had one yet. So your guess is as good as mine. I don't think so. And if the market were to fall, what would you do? What would you do? Think about it for a moment. Understanding the current situation where the Fed has no intention whatsoever of tapering or cutting back. And Wall Street is betting on rates falling, not going higher, because the Fed is buying it all. See, you're not supposed to know this stuff, people. You're not supposed to know that the Fed will be increasing asset purchases, not cutting back. You understand? If you understand all these things, the dynamics that I cover with you every single day, you will remain on the right side of this market. And if you decide to listen to a lot of other guys out here, you're probably going to lose. Well, I have a surprise for you. And I want to show you something first. Somebody just happened to come over my house today. And he's here right now. He's over there. And I drew a picture of him. It's a lousy picture. But this is what he looks like. And you tell me who it is. Who's this? Who's that? How many of you said the crypto kid? Come over here. Yes. Yes. Look who's here. Look who is here.
What's up, everybody?
Slide in a little bit. Hey, great to see you, man, honestly. All right, look, so he's here, and I know he has a few things he wants to tell you. So,
yeah,
do it.
Well, first and foremost, I can't even believe I'm sitting next
to
you right now. Thank you, Greg, for giving me the opportunity for being on your great channel. And
this is the first.
Yeah.
I've never. Hey, look, wait. While he's here right now, what do you think, people? Did I capture his essence at all? Hold on.
I literally moved right next to this lion habitat, by the way, in Las Vegas. So I think that's a
lion habitat.
Pretty big synchronicity right there.
There you go.
But anyways, I just wanted to come on here, tell you guys about tomorrow's segment. We're going to be covering NFTs, which I have some special news regarding NFTs. And we're going to talk about Bitcoin mass adoption. Yes, we are in a consolidation pattern, but I do believe I'm still personally bullish on BTC.
I'm bullish, you know that.
Because of the countries that are coming in and proposing bills in Latin America to make BTC legal tender. But we'll talk about all of that tomorrow. First and foremost, I wanted to say I'm so excited for the 4th of July party.
That's right.
Super excited for it.
I hope you guys are coming. I will put information to that party, the address and everything in the description of this video. I just sent a email blast for all of you that do subscribe to my newsletter. Basically, this is a club called Notoriety. It's here in Las Vegas. The party's going to be from 9 p.m. to midnight. And the address is 450 Fremont Street here in Las Vegas, and I hope to see you there. He's going to be there. And not only is he going to be there, tell them the big surprise.
Well, it's no longer a surprise anymore, but I'm gonna be performing some of my music, some original music, 20-minute set, around closer to midnight. So I'm super excited about that. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be really fun, and I look forward to meeting you guys. And it's going to be a blast.
Absolutely. Now, you wanted me to put a couple of links in the description of this video. Tell people about these links.
First and foremost, I do ask for you guys to begin following my own personal YouTube channel. Greg will leave a link in the description below. I'm going to start putting out more content on my channel because some people have reached out to me and have said, hey, can you do more than one video a week? And that's where I'm going to do my multiple videos per week, updates at high noon, as I like to call it. And the second link is something very special. I wanted to reach out to all of you and ask for your help and support. I minted my second NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain, and we will leave a link in the description below for this. And this is a way that I'm asking you guys to support me. But there's a couple of really cool perks that I programmed in the smart contract of these NFTs. Number one, you get a original Keon the One musical piece, and Greg saw it right before.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then number two, each NFT comes with an unlockable. There's only 100 of these available. Each NFT comes with an unlockable, which upon redemption of this NFT, if you're ever in Vegas, you get to have lunch or coffee with me, or if you want to redeem it and you're not coming to Vegas, we can have a 20-minute Zoom hangout session. So these are programmed in each NFT as unlockables. So you guys will be able to redeemable once per NFT, and I'm not selling it for a crazy amount. Not 10 ETH, not 5 ETH, not even 1 ETH, not even half an ETH, but for 0.05, 5/100ths of an ETH, Ethereum. So we'll leave a link in that description below, and I would really appreciate your guys' support. And yeah, that's about it.
Sounds good. Just real quick, Pete, before I let you go, this market is closed Monday. You will not see me. Well, actually, you will see me. You're going to see me on Monday because I'm going to do a markets look ahead Monday. I'm not going to do my regular video segment. So it gives me an extra day off this weekend, which I rarely take. But when the market's closed, I try not to work. Instead of doing a markets look ahead Sunday, I will do it Monday. And I'm going to see you anyway. And you're going to see this guy at the party on July 4th right here in Vegas. Again, it's going to be a blast. The information for that, again, I'll place that in the description of this video. That's it. We are out of here.
Oh, man.
And we love all of you. Hey, people, wait. I got to do it. Ready? Love each other. Care about each other. Be charitable. I'll see you Sunday.
Take care.